Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. So today is bike build part... Do you mind? 1 sec. Bro, you interrupted the intro.
What's good?
What's good, bro? Pardon the interruption from my buddy Brandon there, but we are gonna get into this. We are installing new bars, new grips, and the just risers for the new bars. I just had to go and get a drill because we're gonna have to drill these new Pro Taper bars.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Guys, so bars are off and all. I guess I didn't realize this whole time that these were aftermarket bars. I guess they're like Mica Metals bars or something, and that's why the bar pad, I guess, was on there too. I thought this was just some random thing. Regardless, still I'm throwing on these Pro Tapers, but it looks like here is the drill pattern. So this is gonna be basically what I have to drill out for everything. So just bought that drill like I mentioned, and we're gonna get into this. This goes on the right side. I was confused about it at first, so I figured I'd clarify. Alright guys, so finally everything is all on. I need to do some final adjustments here just on how the bars sort of swing back. I might push them forward a tiny bit, but drill the holes. I had to drill a hole for this too, I didn't realize that. Got it done though, so it's fine. But yeah, everything works here. Only gripe so far is I slid on these Pro Taper grips, and since this is like gnarling here, I just sort of squeezed it on. It totally tore the grip, so that's pretty frustrating. I might have to get a new one soon, so that's kind of annoying, but otherwise the bars look sick. I'll throw on the bar pad and it'll sort of bring the whole look together, but first off, going to do final adjustments, then get these fully tightened down. Alright guys, so we switched on over to the GoPro because the main camera died, but I finally just got everything on here. These are the old ones for reference. So these old beat to shit things, and now the new ones. Careful, that when I put it on, it ripped.
I see a little tear.
Yeah, so I don't know what the fuck the deal is with that, but I'm gonna get a new throttle tube too, because part of it just cracked off, so now it's gonna stick. So I'm just gonna get an aluminum one. Yeah, but it looks good. So final product with the rim out and a mirror thrown on. In the meantime, definitely gonna get some Zeta handguards and a mirror to put on there, or just do a mirror on here. But she looks good. What do we think?
It's looking fresh.
Cole just sold his bike today, so.
Empty garage.
So actually I ended up charging up the camera just to show you the final setup here, but here it is. So the bar's on. They look sick. I love the bar pad. I think it looks super cool. Also looks good without if I want to put the ram mount in the middle, but the ram mount also still works going on right here. I'll put that on to demonstrate, but yeah, looks pretty sick all in all. Next up, we'll have to get rid of these turn signals like I mentioned, get the Zeta hand guards. I already ordered a new pair of grips as well as a throttle tube, so that'll be remedied pretty quickly. But yeah, super happy with how this came out. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.